What's up guys, Neon Jinx here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to turn an iPod, any generation, to an iPhone. First you're going to need tape, and then you just layer it out until it looks like this. Take it off, and then let me just set this down real quick. Put it back on. So it looks like that. And then you pick it up, press it down, bend it a little bit, push it down on both sides, bend, and set this down. And then, so it looks like that. And then you just peel this off. And there you go, it's an iPhone. And yeah, so pretty simple. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to do another troll video. Peace out.